E-Panchayat. In a diverse state like Jammu and Kashmir, it is not easy to implement various government schemes at the grassroots level. People need to be connected at the panchayat level to get maximum benefits of development plans. Although village level communication or providing services in Jammu and Kashmir is a significant challenge for the government due to accessibility issues due to rivers, hills, inaccessible roads and massive snow cliffs. However, internet effectively deals with all these geological challenges. Today, like other states of India, Gram Panchayat in Jammu and Kashmir are being connected and works are being done with the help of internet as part of Digital India. In order to improve the E-Panchayat system, computer hardware and software is being provided to all the Panchayat representatives, employees and people as per the need, such as facility of MS Windows 7 in computer, Home Basic Operating System, MS Office, Indic Productivity Software, Scanner, Laser Printer, UPS, LED, Port Lane Switch, Patch Cards, Pen Drive. With the digitization of panchayats today, planning, monitoring, budgeting, accounting, certificates, license, online applications, etc. are getting easier. Let us tell you about the objectives of E-Panchayat. Objectives of E-Panchayat Mission Mode project: connecting rural India with online services, digitization of village panchayats, to create awareness about governance and administration, to disseminate information about the development works being done at the local level to the people, making plans effective, reducing corruption, to provide fast and simple services to the general public, bringing transparency with the help of internet. Benefits of E-Panchayat mission: as our panchayat is becoming E-Panchayat, it is getting easier to access data and information through the internet. Efforts are being made to fully adopt the concept of E-Panchayat to connect all the villagers with the online facilities in Jammu and Kashmir. Even today's time, people in Jammu and Kashmir can avail the benefits of birth and death certificates, property tax, pension benefits, subsidy benefits, e-healthcare, e-learning, e-agriculture extension, e-employment, etc. Through E-Panchayat, services are provided just sitting at home. Local governance through E-Panchayat. Today, with the help of E-Panchayat, e-development work of the village has become completely transparent. the amount of money came from which scheme in the panchayat and the amount of money spent, records of all these transactions are being maintained. Social audit of plans like Manrega is also being done efficiently. There was a time when village issues were not given adequate priority, but today, with the help of e-Panchayat and e-governance, the Honorable Prime Minister of India, Narendra Modi himself takes stock of the local situation by talking to the Panchayat representatives.
आइए हम चर्चा का सिलसिला शुरू करते हैं। मुझे बताया गया है कि हमें सबसे पहले जम्मू कश्मीर चलना है। भाई मोहम्मद इकबाल जम्मू कश्मीर के बारामूला से जुड़े रहे हैं। ये ब्लॉक पंचायत नारवाव के चेयरमैन हैं।
Various apps and portals are being launched to strengthen the local governance under e-Panchayat, including e-Gram Swaraj portal and app. Realizing the importance of e-Panchayat, Honorable Prime Minister himself launched e-Gram Swaraj portal and app on the occasion of Panchayati Raj Day. Today, relevant information, helps and services related to the Gram Panchayats can be obtained through this portal and app. With the help of e-Panchayat, all the information related to the public is accessible through online mediums only. Panchayat are also putting their plans on the portal through smart systems today. Panchayat can put information about the schemes of their area on the portal so that people can know more about them. Along with this, the process of taking benefits of these schemes is also uploaded on the e-portal.